Can the Canara HSBC Guaranteed Fortune Plan provide the financial benefits required to fulfill them? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what this policy is about. So, this is a non-linked, non-participating individual savings life insurance plan. And some of the key features of the policy are: you get life coverage available throughout the policy term with a guaranteed payout at maturity, and you have flexible premium payment options and multiple policy term choices, and you get the option to receive your guaranteed cash back every fifth policy year, and you also have the choice to defer your survival benefit as per your preference, and there are guaranteed yearly additions available to enhance your maturity benefit, and there are also tax benefits applicable as per the prevailing tax laws. Now let's move on to looking at the benefits under this policy. So first of all, we have death benefit, which in the case of unfortunate passing of the policyholder during the policy term, the nominee and the legal heir will get the death benefit. So here, under the guaranteed savings option and under the guaranteed cashback option, the death benefit is the same. So sum assured on death less care pay benefit is already paid, if any, plus accrued guaranteed yearly additions. So here, your sum assured on death is defined as either of these options, whichever is highest at the date of death of the policyholder. That will be given as a sum assured on death along with accrued guaranteed yearly additions and benefits like that. So this is the death benefit. And survival benefit, you do not have that under the guaranteed savings option, but under the cashback option, your 15% of guaranteed sum assured on maturity will be payable at the end of every fifth policy year. So another benefit is maturity benefit. So under the guaranteed savings option, your guaranteed sum assured on maturity plus your accrued guaranteed yearly additions is the maturity benefit. Under the guaranteed cashback option, your guaranteed sum assured on maturity less your survival benefits already paid, if any, plus your deferred survival benefits, if any, plus accrued guaranteed additions will be the maturity benefit. So here the guaranteed sum assured on maturity is equal to the sum of your annualized premiums, which is payable under the policy during the premium payment term. So these are all the benefits available under this policy. Now let us take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of investing in this policy. The advantages are: under the pay care benefit, in the event of death, 100% of your total premiums paid will be paid immediately, while the actual death benefit will be provided later. And your guaranteed yearly additions will accumulate at the beginning of each policy year during the last 3 years of the policy term. And you have the option to defer the survival benefit under the guaranteed cashback plan, and you get loan facility available up to 80% of the surrender value. So these are the advantages. Disadvantages are: while the benefits are guaranteed, the returns on this plan is not competitive, and the maximum sum assured under this policy is capped at 25 lakhs, which may be inadequate for comprehensive life coverage. So these are the drawbacks that you need to be mindful about before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video. Because this policy does provide a guaranteed maturity benefit or survival benefit at regular interval. However, relying solely on these guarantees is not advisable. That's why it's crucial to assess the plan based on its percentage of returns. So let us now calculate the IRR, which is the internal rate of return of this policy, using the figures mentioned in the policy brochure. For calculation purpose, let us assume that a 30-year-old male purchases this policy with a sum assured of 11 lakhs. Here the death benefit will be 12.7 lakhs. So the policy term is 25 years and the premium paying term is 10 years with an annual premium of 1 lakh. So he opts for the guaranteed savings option. So under this option, after paying premiums for 10 years, he will receive the maturity benefit along with guaranteed additions, which is the accrued additions at the end of 25 years. So the total maturity benefit amounts to 30.50 lakhs. So if you calculate the IRR for this policy under the policy's maturity calculator, you get an IRR of 5.53%, which is lower than the inflation rate, even lower than typical debt instruments, which makes it an unattractive investment. Additionally, the investment remains locked until the policy term ends, requiring a 15-year wait after completing the 10-year premium payment. So the maximum sum assured is limited to 25 lakhs, which may also be inadequate for comprehensive financial security. So the combination of poor liquidity, insufficient life coverage, and suboptimal returns makes this policy a less appealing choice for both insurance and investment. Now, as we know that this policy is not giving us the desirable outcome that we need, now we are going to explore an alternative strategy where we are going to separately invest in insurance and investment. So instead of opting for an endowment plan, we are going to consider a pure term life insurance policy that provides adequate life coverage at an affordable premium. Since term plans or non-profit policies, the premiums will be significantly lower. And for investment purpose, we are going to allocate our savings from the premium we are going to save by investing in a term plan across various asset classes based on your financial goals, so offering a more balanced and potentially higher return. So let us understand the strategy with an example of a comparative scenario. So let us conduct a comparative analysis now. So using the same parameters as the previous example, a pure term life insurance policy with a 13 lakh sum assured similar to the example death benefit costs 10,500 rupees annually for a 25-year-old term with a 10-year premium payment period. This allows you to save 89,500 rupees per year from the 1 lakh premium budget we had for the Canara policy, which can be invested based on your risk appetite. So if you are a high risk investor, you can opt for equity instruments like ELSS, which is also a tax saving equity instrument. While if you are a low risk investor, you can choose debt instruments. So in this comparison, we are going to consider both. Like for debt, we are going to consider PPF. So in PPF, it requires a minimum contribution of 500 rupees annually for 15 years. Since the premium payment term is 10 years, adjustments are made to meet PPF regulations. So the final maturity value in PPF is 37.21 lakhs with an IRR of 6.54%. And in ELSS plus term insurance combination, you can see in that investment, after accounting for the capital gains tax at redemption, it results in a post-tax maturity value of 85.52 lakhs. So the overall IRR for the combined term insurance and ELSS investment strategy is 10.80%, which is calculated on the post-tax return. You can clearly see the tax calculations on ELSS investment, which is presented on the screen. So these returns surpass the inflation rate while also offering superior liquidity for you as a policyholder. So this analysis for you as an investor. So this analysis clearly demonstrates the benefits of separating insurance and investment, providing better liquidity, higher returns and advantages that the Canara policy does not offer. So what is the final verdict on Canara policy? Is it worth investing or not? This is a traditional life insurance policy that provides survival or maturity benefits with guaranteed payouts. You pay premiums for a limited period in exchange for these benefits. However, the policy term and premium payment duration are fixed, which may not align with individual financial needs, leading to a potential mismatch between actual goals and policy maturity. So an analysis of returns indicates that the plan delivers suboptimal returns for a long-term investment. Additionally, the funds also remain locked until the end of the policy term, and the sum assured may be insufficient for comprehensive financial protection. These limitations makes the Canara HSBC Guaranteed Fortune Plan less suitable for both insurance and investment purpose, and it also has a high agent commission. A more effective approach is to separate insurance and investment. Like you can invest in a pure term policy which provides adequate life coverage as a financial safety net, while investments can be tailored to your individual risk tolerance, investment horizon and life goals. Building a strong financial plan is essential for a long-term financial success. So for strategy tailored to your needs, you can even consider consulting with a professional like a certified financial planner who can help align your investments with your life goals.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.